Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, today we are going to learn about some numbers. I've written here die Zahlen von 0 bis 20. Und das bedeutet means, this means the numbers from 0 to 20. So, los geht's. Los geht's means here we go. As you can see, I've written here counting in German from 1 to 10. And now I'm going to read them one by one. And if you want, you can speak after me. And you can pronounce after me. So the number 1 is eins. Eins. Number 2 is zwei. Zwei. Number 3 is drei. Number 4 is vier. Vier. 5 is fünf. Fünf. And now as you can see here, the U had umlaut. The sound is fünf. And number 6 is sechs. 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 Number 7 is sieben. Sieben. 8 is acht. Acht. Wie gute Nacht. Acht. Nacht is night in German. And 9 is neun. Neun. As you can see. Number 10 is zehn. Zehn. Now as you can see, here it starts with set. So it's zehn, not zehn. Zehn. And from here we are going to learn from 11 to 20, and this can also be tricky. As you can see, it is 11, and I have written it as elf. So 11 is elf. 12 it's solve. O has an umlaut. O has an umlaut. And 13 is dreizehn. Now you can see 13 has drei and zehn in the end, because the number 10 is zehn, but these two are special. 11 and 12 do not have the ending zehn. So number 14 is vierzehn. So you can see 4, 4, and in the end zehn. That's the only difference. Vierzehn, same like 15 is fünfzehn, and 16 is sechzehn, and number 17 is siebzehn, and number 18 achtzehn, 19 is neunzehn, 20 is what called 20. Okay, so that's the counting from 0 to 20 in English, and 0 is called 0 bis 20, 0 to 20. Now what the difference are, and we have two special ones which can be tricky as I've written it. Different are 11 and 12, which are elf and zwölf. They're written like this, not like them. It's a little bit different, but as you can see, you have to learn it. Elf und zwölf. So I will pronounce them once more. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn, and from here elf, zwölf, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You can see 16, 7, 17, 18, 19 und 20. And that's the counting from 1 to 20 in German. We have only two different ones, 11 and 12. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more.